Bujugakanawia, and welcome to Ojibwe Word of the Day. Today's word is Wiisagi-ma'iingaans, and Wiisagi-ma'iingaans is the Ojibwe word for a coyote. In Ojibwe, Ma'ingan is a wolf, Ma'iingaans is a little wolf, and Wiisagi-ma'iingaans is a coyote. And you can notice that the coyotes are not just smaller in size, but have sharper, pointy ears. And today, I've been watching a pack of coyotes right in front of my house, hunting in the broad daylight. They're strung out in a line about half a mile long. And if anything jumps out in between one of them, the pack would converge on them. It's really interesting to watch. So the pre-noun wiisagi means something that is sharp or pointed, and it actually describes the voice of the coyote. Instead of the deep throaty howl of a timber wolf, the wiisagi part describes the sharp yip of a coyote. Wiisagi-ma'iingaans for coyote. Miigwech.